afternoon YouTube. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Today is day 2 of our ride Bangalore to Gokarna. We are currently in Chitradurga and headed towards Gokarna, which is 288 kilometers from here, and it should take us not more than 6 hours including breaks to complete this distance of 288 kilometers. Chitradurga is a small basically town in Karnataka itself, and it's a beautiful scenic spot. There's nothing much to see around other than a beautiful Chitradurga fort, and yep, that's it. और हमारी डेस्टिनेशन है 250 kilometers exactly from here, and the destination for today is Gokarna, as I've already told you. उसके आगे देखते हैं, गोवा के इतने बोर्ड देख देख के मन तो कर रहा है, बाकी लेट्स सी क्या प्लान बनता है। इतने गोवा के बोर्ड दिखेंगे तो बाकी तो पता ही है आपको कि दिल तो बच्चा है जी।
105 kilometers at a stretch. मज़ा आ गया, काफ़ी अच्छी सड़क थी and quite a crazy ride I must say.
पे हमें मिल चुका है बहुत ही खराब रास्ता. So the road is under construction. There is heavy construction going on, and as you can, as of now हालत थोड़ी खराब है. There's dust. There are n number of or what you call these small stones and pebbles and diversions, and I don't know what all is there. As you can see the route ahead me, I'm so glad I didn't do this after sunset yesterday. I decided to stop at Chitradurga itself. Not even a 500-meter patch that's there without any diversions. Our average speed has fallen down to what, maybe 10 or 15. वो भी मैं ज़्यादा ही बोल रहा हूँ शायद.
We have to put the navigation again.
500 किलोमीटर बैंगलोर से चलाने के बाद ऐसा नज़ारा और सारी थकावट गायब. This is the first sunset of Gokarna and it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So we are finally in Gokarna after riding for 515 kilometers from our flat in Bangalore. We have reached Om Beach, Gokarna.